We know that generative AI models such as ChatGPT are able to answer our questions, solve problems, and generate content and data in various forms for us. Now, the media is flooded with reports suggesting that Gen AI will transform the workforce, drastically changing how we all humans work and will potentially replace a majority of humans doing these jobs. Gen AI is expected to impact every kind of job, from entry-level positions to executive roles. Its influence goes beyond automating mundane, repetitive tasks. It also extends to complex decision-making, creative projects, and even personalized services. No job category is likely to remain untouched. But for AI to fully take over and perform most of the jobs that humans do, significant advancements are still required. While today's AI has made impressive strides, it remains far from being capable of handling the full spectrum of human tasks. Most jobs today require us to handle multiple responsibilities, such as collaborating with others, gathering data, utilizing that data to achieve specific objectives, adjusting strategies when things don't go as planned, and ultimately working towards achieving set targets. While language models are valuable tools for tasks such as document summarization or drafting content, their limitations stem from being trained on fixed datasets, making them difficult to adapt without substantial tuning. That said, the real power of these models lies in integrating them into broader systems, helping them align with existing processes to amplify their utility. And this can be in automating parts of project management or other workflows that you might envision, say in construction management or healthcare platforms. And this is where the role of AI agents comes into picture. AI agents are software entities that can orchestrate complex workflows, coordinate activities amongst multiple agents, apply logic, and evaluate answers. And by doing so, AI agents can automate organizational processes or assist employees and customers in executing complex tasks, enhancing efficiency as well as productivity. So, an AI agent is a piece of software designed to perform tasks autonomously. Unlike traditional software that follows strict rules, AI agents make decisions based on their understanding and interactions with the world. They use technologies such as large language models along with different pieces of software, from computer programs to API calls to accessing databases, to process and understand information and determine the best course of action. Agents now have the capability to build comprehensive plans rather than executing tasks one step at a time. Their ability to decompose a high-level goal into a series of subtasks is a fundamental aspect of their functionality. Now imagine you are head of customer support at an e-commerce company and you need to streamline the process of handling high-priority customer complaints. Instead of manually coordinating responses, you delegate this task to an AI agent. You instruct, create a system that automatically identifies urgent customer issues, assigns them to the right team, and tracks their progress until resolution. And here is how the AI agent will take action. First, it will understand the goal. The AI agent interprets your request to build a complaint management system, focusing on identifying urgent issues, assigning them to appropriate teams, and ensuring they are resolved efficiently. Next, the AI agent will get into data analysis and prioritization. The AI agent taps into customers' customer service platform, analyzing incoming complaints. Using natural language processing and sentiment analysis, it flags high-priority issues such as product defects or billing problems based on the tone, keywords, and urgency. Next, the AI agent will get into task assignment. Once the agent identifies urgent cases, it reviews team availability and expertise by accessing internal databases. It assigns each issue to the most suitable team or individual, considering factors such as workload, specialized knowledge, and past performance in handling similar complaints. Then, the AI agent will get on to tracking and monitoring. The AI agent sets up internal tracking system to monitor the progress of each issue. It integrates with the company's ticketing system to log each step taken towards resolving the complaint, ensuring accountability and timely follow-up. The AI agents also get into customer interaction. The AI agent automatically sends updates to customers regarding the status of their complaint. For critical issues, it initiates follow-up emails or messages to gather additional information or notify the customer once their issue is resolved. The AI agent can also do adjustments and is open to feedback. We can review the AI agent's performance through a dashboard where we can see real-time metrics such as response time and resolution success rates. And if needed, we can tweak its behavior, such as adjusting how it prioritizes issues or which team handles specific types of complaints. And finally, the AI agent will get into execution as well as finally reporting. The AI agent autonomously manages the entire complaint handling process, from identifying and prioritizing issues to assigning teams and tracking resolutions. It generates regular reports on performance metrics, allowing us to see improvements in response time and customer satisfaction. In this example, the AI agent automates the complex task of handling high-priority customer complaints. By leveraging its ability to analyze data, interact with internal systems, and autonomously execute tasks, it significantly reduces the workload for humans while improving the efficiency and speed of resolving issues. And this example showcases how AI agents can optimize operational workflows, freeing up human resources to focus on higher-level decision-making.